Opening the pro pack stuff because of space. So yeah, just some turkey pack opening. Hope it does not lag out because I'm making a ton of other videos today. So yeah, so bam. Ooh, decent pack from 100 Enes Kanter. Just uploaded a video of me getting a 112 overalls, but in different accounts, of course, and a Care Silver. I think we can open up one more turkey upgrade token thingy because after that, because we will get enough tokens. Going slow, but it's okay. $100 Giannis with no, not yet. I'm also gonna get the 112 overall and sell it, cause why not? So I'll see whoever is the best, whoever sells for the most. I mean, that's a decent pull. Last pack of the day, bro. And let's see which one should I get the best. Which master should I get for the 112 overall? Ooh. I will not open the last one on camera because I have exactly the same. What is this? Oh, 2020 NBA draft. Okay. CP from right now. So the centers are saw a Kukoc selling for some coins. I don't think it really matters. Oakley for only 2. Guess I'll just get my random one. Kukoc. So yeah. Bang. Just sell it. For the amount of coins I need. You guys watching? We're out.